Well, David, if you're ready, why don't we jump into the rapid fire and close out this episode? But before we do, it's davidchristensen.com for more information and what his team is up to there. What lie do real estate investors often tell themselves?
It's never too late to start. I'm a firm believer that I've met people that are 70 years old that are just kind of sharpening their skills. And so it's never too late to jump in.
If you could go back in time and give your younger self a piece of advice, what would it be?
Be true to yourself and know that it's all going to work out.
Do you have a book recommendation?
One of my favorite books is The Gap and the Gain by Dan Sullivan. I recommend it to everybody. Phenomenal book.
And then finally, what single strategy or tool have you implemented that has had the biggest time-saving impact?
In the last 6 months, it's been AI and utilizing it correctly, like we talked about, as an addition as opposed to the total meat and potatoes, but it's been super helpful.
Well, David, I really appreciate it. One last time, it is davidchristensen.com. That's going to be a clickable link in the show notes. Hope you'll consider coming back again sometime.
Absolutely lovely meeting you and really enjoyed it.